Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now I have a very special event happening on the 2nd of May at 4 p.m. EST. Now we've been developing a AI agent system. It's a self-learning AI system that you can put on any site that you own, and that bot will learn your site. It'll learn through text, it'll learn through sitemaps. You can add links in there. It'll index a link, get the information from that link. It'll build up a full knowledge base about any site that you want to promote. Now you can test it out. Just come over here to this little icon at the side, fill in your name and email. You can start chatting with the bot, find out what ProfitsBotAI does. Now, I would attend the webinar if you can on the 2nd of May, 4 p.m. EST, because for the first 30 buyers, we're also going to give full white label access with a full setup included, full rebrand, full sales page, full delivery setup, hosting included, payment integration included, everything set up and ready to go, but for the first 30 buyers only. Now, if you're interested in owning your own AI system, selling it to other users, then this is the one for you. So don't delay, join the webinar. So just scroll down here, you'll see some links. Just add in your name and email. You'll be registered for the webinar. We'll send out the welcome emails as you get closer to the 2nd of May. But if you register today, we're going to give you 4 white label apps over the next 4 days. But it's only if you register here. So make sure that you register. You'll get your 4 white label apps over the next 4 days. You'll be able to join the webinar. You'll be able to lock in one of the most powerful white label apps that we've ever done that you can start reselling as your own. Okay, now this helps with lead gen, it helps with sales generation, and it helps with engaging customers. So make sure that you join the webinar, and I will see you on the 2nd of May at 4 p.m. EST. Thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.